Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you the profit update for my Binance Futures Grid Bot that I deployed just around 10 days ago, and the mode that I selected was neutral, which means the bot will actually go long or short depending on the price action. So with that being said, if you're not familiar with how Binance Futures Grid Bots actually work, the Grid Bot is basically made up of limit orders, and those limit orders are buy limit orders, which are these green lines on the chart, and sell limit orders, which are the red lines on the chart. And the bot will basically buy or sell as the price action hits these lines or the limit orders. And for my particular strategy, which was neutral, when I deployed the bot, it would wait until the price action either went up or down to determine whether it was going to open long or short positions. The yellow line that I have dropped in here on the chart is approximately the price of BTC when I deployed the bot. And I deployed this particular bot back here, and the price actually went up after I deployed the bot. So the bot began opening short positions as the price hit these sell limit orders on the way up. Now the price did eventually roll over, so it started taking profit and buying as it went down. Once the price did cross over the yellow line, the bot flipped its strategy from short to long and started opening long positions as it hit the buy orders on the way down. Now eventually Bitcoin rallied all the way up to around 41,000. So once the price action breached above the yellow line, the bot flipped back into opening short positions as it hit these sell orders on the way up. And once the price of Bitcoin rolled over, the bot began capturing profit on the way down on those short positions. And eventually the price crossed back over the yellow line and the bot started opening long positions. And if we scroll down, you can see I do currently have one position open, and you can tell position size where it says size 0.001. And if you look at the actual limit orders on the chart, you'll see the size is 0.001. And so I currently have one position, and you can also tell that it's a long position as it is marked in green, and therefore you know you have a long position at the moment. Now if you want to deploy your own Binance Futures Grid Bot, I will drop a link in the description down below for the video of the configuration for this particular Grid Bot. Now let's take a deeper dive into the details of how this bot is currently performing. And to do so, we come over here to the Grid Trading tab in yellow letters up here in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Give that a click, and that will bring you over to the dashboard where you can actually configure your own Grid Bot. And as you can see, you can do a neutral, long, or short. So neutral, basically the bot will be either long or short. Long, obviously the bot will only open long positions, and short, the bot will only open short positions. And again, I will leave a link to the video on how to actually configure your own Binance Futures Grid Bot in the description down below. Now in order to view the details of this particular Grid Bot, you just come down to the bottom of the screen and click on View. And that will pull up all the details for this particular bot. And as you can see, I deployed the bot on BTC USDT perpetual contracts. The mode was neutral, and I deployed the bot almost 10 days ago. Now I can click on completed, and this will actually show me all the completed transactions for this particular bot. And as you can see, over the last 24 hours, there's been 28 matched trades, and on average, each day there's about 26 matched trades. And so the match trades are basically the buy and sell orders for that particular position. And it also shows you the profit for that matched trade. And in this case, the bot makes just roughly around 20 cents per matched trade. And if I'm averaging 26 match trades a day, this bot is earning just around $5 a day. Nothing huge, but it is currently winning the battle. And the strategy start price, which was represented on the previous chart by that yellow line, is actually 36,025 USDT. Now if we jump over to working, you will find all the buy and sell limit orders. And in this case, I have 40 open limit buy orders and 30 open limit sell orders. And so those open orders are based on the number of grids of when I deployed the bot. I selected 70 grids, so 40 and 30 equals the 70. And those open orders are based on the price range when I configured the grid bot with a lower limit of 28,000 and an upper limit of 43,000. Now my profit per grid based on those 70 grids and the price range is 0.57% per grid. And my total investment for this strategy that I deployed just about 10 days ago was 2,700 USDT. And that is based on my initial margin of 300 USDT multiplied by my initial leverage of 9x. So if you multiply 9 by 300, you get 2,700. And I selected margin mode of isolated. I wanted the risk to be isolated to this specific bot and not any other positions. And thus, only this 300 USDT is actually at risk of being liquidated if that were to happen. So with that all being said, the bot currently has a realized profit of almost 56 USDT or just over 18.5%. And this percentage is actually based on my initial margin of 300 USDT. So in 10 days, the bot has achieved 18.5% profit or just around 1.85% profit per day. It's not a huge number, but in the end, the bot is winning the battle. So that pretty much wraps it up. I will continue to do update strategies as long as this bot is live and active. So now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button. If you liked the video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions, drop those in the comment section down below. I will drop a link to the configuration video for this particular bot in the description down below. And in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.